Is the rally about to end? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Thursday. What time is it? It's about 2:30 Eastern Time, 2:35. And I'm coming to you early again because I see some things that indicate that this rally might be coming to an end today. In fact, I'm not predicting it, but I would not be surprised to see the gains dissipate and actually the markets close lower today. You've got the Netflix earnings coming out after the close today. You've got a market that has continued to push higher, which we have said, but it seems to be now struggling around this 2,600 level. It's gotten up a little bit above, but again, at 2,600, 15 to 20 points is no big deal. You've got way too many bullish people out there right now. Nobody thinks that this market can ever go down again because they continue to depend on the Federal Reserve. Well, the way that I see it from here, it looks like we could see some selling at least today, maybe into tomorrow. Again, we'll see what it looks like. Certainly, we are looking for opportunities to now sell in this market, but one of the big cautions I will give you is because of the lack of volume and the lack of volatility, you've got to be very careful here. If you're going to try to step into the pool, make sure that you have an exit point that you know you're going to get out of it, because again, it could spike higher, but it looks like to me that we're going to start to see some selling pressure come in here. It has all the makings and the feel of a market that is just about running out of gas. And of course, since we don't have electric markets yet, we may be running out here. And of course, you're watching different things happening. And of course, I just came off of Making Money with Charles Payne, and we both agreed that the Fed is a joke. But the other thing is Charles and the other guests were bullish. I'm still bearish here. I think Netflix may miss their earnings. I think there's a lot of reasons to believe that there's a sell-off coming. You know, we talk about that vicious bear market rally that comes off of a bottom. So I think this is it. I think we're starting to now wind it down, and I would look for some selling pressure. Now, that doesn't mean we're going straight down from here. I think we'll see some trading action, but we won't see a big down move until volume and volatility return to the market. But I think certainly we'll see some churning, and I think we'll go back below the 2,600 level from here, and we'll see how it trades out. Hey, you know, we're going to check it out, but we will certainly be looking to play it from the short side of the market from up in here. In the meantime, oil has been churning all over the place again. It's kind of winding in that consolidation pattern. We're looking for it to break below from here. Gold continues to be, I wrote for Kitco today, I says, is gold closed? Okay, because there's been zero action. I expect gold to break to the upside and get over that 1,300, but until then, I see no real reason to get involved. Bonds are been on both sides of unchanged, but it looks like they're doing the dance that looks like they really want to break hard and looking to be short bond futures. I think they look like they want to break hard. I think they're going to break hard, and I think interest rates are going to rise, which is, again, bond futures lower, interest rates higher. So we see that coming in here. We had the grains took off. I didn't see the news or what the reason was, but the grains took off late as I was actually on TV, and soybeans ended up about 13 or 14 cents higher. Wheat was up almost 10 cents. Corn was up. So again, looks like maybe there's some deal coming out of China. But again, I think the real reason is that they had oversold them down and you got a nice bounce. And I think this may be the bottoms, the new bottoms may be in, and we'll look for higher prices here. Feeder cattle broke hard, coming right down to a level. We'd be looking to be a buyer here. Fat cattle still can't really break. It was down, but it was down much more, and it actually came back and cut its losses in half. But I think you're going to see probably a couple of bucks in a pullback. Hogs held the market perfectly as we expected them to do and are now trying to work their way higher again. Cryptos are holding as they have all along, really not doing a heck of a lot. Holding steady, I guess we'll call it. But overall, again, we are certainly in the bearish camp right now from here. I would not be surprised to see the day close lower from here. But at the end, I still need to see some volume and volatility. Remember one thing always, volatility in markets is the great forgiver. And without it, it makes it much more challenging, and it forces you into bad decisions. It forces you emotionally to make a bad decision. So again, we're going to go ahead and try to play this a little bit from the short side for the rest of the day and look for the markets to actually close lower on the day. Now, I'm not looking for a wipeout. I just think that the highs are in for the day, and I'd rather be to the short side for today. So we'll see how it all plays out. We'll see you over the weekend with Bubba's Bottom Line. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. And of course, if you'd like to get the book from our friend Adam Barata, Gold is a Better Way, certainly go to bubbatrading.com/gold. And if you'd like to help us with the high school program, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great trading day, everybody. We'll see you. If anything big happens tomorrow, we'll have a special update. Otherwise, we'll see you over the weekend with Bubba's Bottom Line. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.